Welcome back to Living in Weight. If you ever heard somebody say, I got a gig tonight, they are referring to something they got to do, actually. But having a gig doesn't necessarily mean they've got insurance. So we're talking about gigs and coverage with Martha Clopin, the managing director with Get to Insurance. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, John. So happy to be here.
It is a real term, but I would love for you to define it for our viewers. What is a gig job?
Absolutely. The gig economy is the part of the industry that delivers, you know, all these folks ordering food and ordering groceries, not wanting to go out, you know, that makes up the gig economy. And gig workers, they all just work independently making deliveries.
So what are the benefits of gigging?
You know what people love about gigging is the fact that they have flexibility. They are their own boss, and they get to decide if they make enough money, they can just go take a trip, come back, and start their gig work again. Even your Uber and Lyft drivers are considered gig workers.
Okay, so I'm sure there are issues with gig work, like maybe even health problems. Do gig workers experience those kinds of things?
Yes, absolutely, especially folks who deliver packages. Sometimes they slip going up the steps, or they might even get a bite by a dog. So many times, they're so excited about having this gig work, it doesn't come with insurance. So actually, somebody who was delivering some groceries to me wanted me to tackle this subject and let folks know that there is an affordable way to get health insurance.
Okay, tell us about that then.
Yeah.
So affordable coverage.
Yeah, it was so interesting. I was just having a delivery. I was having a little party, and I decided not to cook. And the person said, you know, I don't have insurance, and, you know, I had a little car accident, and I was so surprised how much it cost. So I was able to say, hey, you can look at the Affordable Care Act plans, and there are plans that are very, very reasonably priced. And this person was so excited. She said, you got to talk about that.
Well, there you are. And they ask, and they receive. So what's the best way to get started for all that?
Well, the best way to get started is you can go to a website. It's called healthcare.gov, healthcare.gov. Okay. But what my group does is we are very happy to assist people. We're called Local Help, and we actually can give you information. We can even do the application for you over the phone. And I have to tell you, John, from this segment, I've been getting a lot of parents who have children who are gig workers. The insurance used to come from the parents. At age 26, they age out of that employer plan, and some of these parents have been able to get their adult children, 26 years old, making about $26,000 a year from their gig job, insurance for as little as $2.42.
Wow.
I have to tell you.
Well, that almost doesn't sound right.
I know. And imagine your parent being so, you know, just caring and not wanting to see you end up with, you know, these bills from uncovered health expenses. $2.42 is all that's standing in the way.
Well, I have parents that would care about that, and I, as a parent, also care about that because I have adult children that do work, and so how do we find out more information about this if somebody's curious and they want to know?
Right, well, they can go to healthcare.gov, or they can get a hold of us at Get to Insurance, and we're more than happy to walk them through. Sometimes you feel more comfortable talking to someone from your own hometown who knows how to, you know, the names of the streets, how to spell them, and even how to spell your name. So we're more than happy to help people with the process.
That phone number on the screen might have been a little small for folks. Could you give us a phone number to call to?
Well, folks can call us at 808-230-3379. That's 808-230-3379. But I got to tell you, John, I'm getting a lot of calls from parents who are going ahead and covering their children because the children are saying, hey, Mom, hey, Dad, I'm going to chance them. And that's not a good idea when you're doing gig work because, again, you could get bitten by a dog, you driving your car more, you could have a car accident, all things that you can recover from, but financially is another story. So just stay covered. And that's what we're about. Get to Insurance. We want to make sure everyone in our community stays covered.
Thank you so much for dropping by. That's really important information. And if you need to know, again, give Martha a call or check out their website. We'll have that information on our website shortly after the show. But thank you, again, stopping by. Great information, and I'm sure your phone's probably going off.